How to redeem Nike gift card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. So in today's video I will guide you on how you can redeem your gift card on the Nike app, so just make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you have a specific gift card and then you want to redeem them, then all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch the Nike application, as you can find it here. Then just make sure that you're basically signed into the account. Then once you're signed in, now the process to redeem it is a little bit different. You have to redeem it during the checkout process. So make sure to add the products that you want to buy to your bag and then just tap the bag option over here. Then you'll be able to review all of the products that you've basically added to your checkout page. So let us wait until this page has been successfully loaded up. The internet could be quite a bit slow, so you want to make sure you have a reliable internet connection. And after you review all of the products that you've added to your bag, you're basically going to see this type of interface where you have to just head over to the checkout section here. Now you might just want to go ahead and verify with your Face ID and authentication. Now after you verified, right over here you can see delivery and you can see payment, and you just have to tap on select payment. And instead of adding a credit, PayPal, Klarna or promo code, here you'll find an option where it says add a gift card, and this is exactly how we want to redeem it. During the checkout process, you just have to add the gift card code here, enter them, make sure it is correct, tap the add gift card option. Depending upon the value of the gift card, it is going to be successfully redeemed to purchase this specific product over here. If the amount isn't quite enough, you can also choose to add other payment methods after that. So this way you can go ahead and redeem your Nike gift card. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.